How to make money on Fiverr. So how did I manage to make that much money on Fiverr? First of all, I spent time looking at what other people are having success with the learn how they made money on Fiverr. At the same time, I spotted an awesome product that helped me create animated videos really quickly. So the idea for my gig was born. I am going to create a video animation services offering things like whiteboard videos and 3D animation and videos and hand draw videos. There is no big secret here. I just look it at other people sold per gig and what I could make quickly, and I create some relevant gigs. You could see the preparation meet opportunity perfectly. See sample videos. Here are some sample of the videos I was selling to give you a better ideas like whiteboard videos, animation character videos like this. See this and whiteboard see this. So pretty cool videos, right? What a lot of people does don't release in just how high to demands for our videos like, and this is they are super easy to make. You can just create a gig for these kinds of videos today on Fiverr and start getting orders the same. They are hugly popular. So you can see this my orders. As you can see, the orders come floating in for me to get paid. Wow. So is a best way for earning Fiverr. How to make money with our Fiverr videos. So I define it. You might be wondering how exactly I am creating the videos, and you will be glad to know it is really simple. Not long ago, WSO appears for a video maker FX. This is application name. So, which is a simple piece of a software to create animated videos. I paid just $67 for it at that time. So you look at this application video maker fx. The software make it is really easy and quickly to make a kind of different videos for all kind business in is no time and all at all. But there are tons of different types of gigs you can offers. Take a look at this 36x method to make money on Fiverr, for example. So this is the easy way of a Fiverr earning. I hope so enjoy these videos and you get it and easily earned for Fiverr business. So please apply these tips and earning more for future. Thank you so much.